Actually, we were here, na? Order of operations. You people, have you
Yes.
people seen this? Anyone? Can you please?
Yes, yesterday we saw this.
Okay.
So you explained yesterday the bad math.
Hmm. Bad mass. Like, what is bad mass?
Bad math is the order of operations you explained, like how the operations will happen, what
Hmm.
comes first
Okay.
in terms of operations. So brackets, and then exponent, what do you call it? Sorry,
Okay.
exponentiation, right? Division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So it's just the order um, of what function will happen when first.
Okay. Can you please, if possible, can you please explain me? I'll go with here. One second. I'll one second. 2 plus 5. 5 plus 3. 3 divided by 2. 2 into 2. Can you please explain me this? Can you please tell me the output? What will be the output for this?
Okay, output would be for this is 8, and then let me check. The second one will come divide, which is 2, 4. Then it will multiplication, that will be 4 into 2, 8, plus I think 10 would be the answer.
First of all, bracket you have to write itself, but
Yeah,
after
yeah,
that
bracket.
exponentiation. After that division, 2 square 4 means 8 by 4 means that will be like 2. 2 plus 2, it will be the 4. Bed mass. Bracket. Bracket. Okay. 8 by 2 into. Can you please explain me this in the way like bed mass once again? Try with this. Once
Yeah,
again, let's
same.
go with.
You want to
Okay.
go with Amina?
No, no, I won't go with you.
Okay, so that as explained, first brackets
Mm,
will come, which is 5 plus 3, that will be 8.
mm,
Then the second one will come division, which is
mm,
8 divided by 2 will be 4.
mm,
Then multiplication comes, 4 into 2, 8. Then
mm.
8, then the last one will be the plus, which is 2. So 8 plus 2, 8. Sorry, 8 plus 2, 10.
Okay, fine. Can you please tell me this? Explain this.
Who you want to explain, me or someone else? Me.
You only.
Okay, so
If,
first
for example,
multi.
same,
Yeah.
for example, how I thought that was, sorry, one second. Let me correct first of all. Here, if I go into means what will be the output? I guess 4.
Yeah,
Okay.
then 4.
Then 4. Exponential. This and multiplication. So, what you said is correct. Okay. Clear? I thought this was and I was confused like this was like an exponentiation. So, sorry. Okay. Okay, fine.
No problem.
Is clear about bedmass? Anyone?
Yeah,
Amina?
it's clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Meena. Okay, fine. Gurvinder. Okay, fine. One second. Already we have started the data types, I think. Let's continue about the data types. Let's continue about the data types. For example, let's talk about numbers first of all. A lot of, for example, let's go here. A numbers are supported in Python. For example, 3 is a number and minus 3.4 is a number. But for example, 3 is number and 3.4 is also a number. But what is the difference between 3 and 3.4, for example? Or what is the, for example, let's see. For example, let's go for the positive or negative number. Positive or negative number. Example, 2 and 2 and minus 2. Let's go for. Already we have discussed what is 2 and what is minus 2. Anyone?
2 is
Anyone?
positive number, minus 2 is negative number.
Both where belongs to which kind of data types?
Numeric.
Let's take it. What kind of data
Numeric.
types? Let's take this to.
It's
Hmm?
integer data type.
Integer data type. Okay, fine.
And signed and
Minus.
unsigned data type.
Okay, fine. 2.5.
It's a float data type.
It's a float data type. Let's show you. For example, in number data types, see integer, integer, float. Integer, float will be there. What is integer means? 2 will be integer and 2.5 will be float itself. So in the same way, for example, x is equal to 5. Just I'm storing this. I'll explain you about the variables. Please recall me about variables before going into this. Okay. Okay. I'll explain you about the variables. Okay. For example, okay, fine. Before going into the deep dive into this, let's go about variables. Variable is a container stores the data. Means like here we have given x is equal to 5. In the x we are storing the 5. Okay, we are, I said, we are storing the 5 over there. For example, if I'm calling again 5, whatever we are storing, that will be the output. Let's see. If I'm calling this print x is a function. Print x is a function which returns. For example, print is an inbuilt function. Let's go uh, in detail about the functions in the uh, 10th class might be, but just what print does over here is like just it's going to retrieve the what we have stored in the x itself. X is like a variable. Whatever we are storing we can retrieve from it directly. Not only from that, if I'm going with normal x also, if I'm see, we'll be getting 5 without print itself also. We'll get the output of 5. We have stored the 5 in the x itself. X is like a variable itself. Okay. Clear? Anyone about variable? Clear? Is it clear? Types of variables will be there. We will discuss it. We will be knowing about that. We're knowing about the just we'll be knowing about the uh, these integer and floats. After that, we'll go deep dive into the variable part. Okay, if you people want me to elaborate about variables, and after that these data types we can continue, or else like first of all according to you people, how we can go means we can go in that way. What me to do first? I have to start with this, have to continue in between, I have to.
Yeah, sorry, Veera. All I'm saying is that you can continue with the course you have designed, so we can go along. If we have any
Okay,
question or anything, we can ask. But I mean, whatever the right way of teaching, maybe continue with that.
okay, fine. Okay, fine. Here we have stored now. Before, it's like, for example, let me explain you about the variable in detail. Like it can be variable again. It stores any type of data. Like not only numbers, it stores like numerical data, textual data, boolean data itself. Variable will stores the. Let's talk about the. Is a container data. It stores the information like numeric, and it can be textual. Okay, for example, I have gone with these 5 example. Let's show you. Before that, let's show you the x is equal to textual data also we can store it. This is called as string normally. Let explain you about the data type also. Cool, no worries, just hold it on. For example, here if you want to check the type of the data, before that, in which the data type is in. For example, to check the data type of the data, in which the to check the to check the type of data, once again, what we have to do means, there in above in x we have stored finer type, we have to go with x. With this with this we'll get the type of the data. Let me show you. See here, just see. Let's run it out first. Again, this type of x. See, you can see integer over here. Okay, everyone, integer over here. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it integer over here? In the same way, here in x I'm storing now. I'll explain you that later. See, if I'm going with a is equal to 5 point a is equal to 5.5, A is 5.5. And what is the type of A? What is type of A?
It's a float.
Float.
It's a float. Why? Because like 5.5. 5 is an integer and 5.5 is a float. In that way, the data type we have to check in that way. The reason storing procedure is like an variable. Storing procedure is like an variable. Okay, clear till now? Any queries?
No good.
Okay, no queries. Can I continue? Shall I continue?
Yes, please.
Okay, fine. I'll explain you this. This is called as this is having one important feature, which will be like string. It will be called as, and data type is called as a string. I'll explain you that. Okay, cool. Before that, let's show you one thing. Print. In that way, we can use single quotes or double quotes. For example, just remember, in this way it will be like print single quotes or double quotes. We'll get the output.
We don't see what is printing. We don't see the
It's
next line, the
come again.
output. We don't see the output. I don't see the output.
Okay, okay. Here you can see.
Okay, I can see now. Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. One second. Okay, fine. In this way, we have to go with. For example, let's go. We can do the arithmetic operations with this one also. We can do the arithmetic operations with this one also. What we have stored in x and a. With that also we can do with the arithmetic operations. Okay. With the variables also we can do the arithmetic operations. Let's show you. A, for example, b is equal to x plus a. We have assigned it. Just print b. Anyone guess it out? Anyone? We have stored in x is equal to 5 and a is equal to 5.5. Output will be
10.5.
10.5. Clear?
Yeah.
Any queries, Meena?
No, sir.
In the same way, each and every operation will be done, like addition, multiplication, subtraction. With these variables also we can done the each and every operations. Like for example, uh, x is equal to, if you are storing 10, and a is equal to, if you are storing 5 means we can divide it. If you are storing with that, if we can store that in any other variable, if we divide means the output will be 2. We can get it out. We can do these entire arithmetic operations with the storing in the variables also. We can do this entire operations of the arithmetic operations. Is it clear? Arithmetic operations, float division we can do, modulus we can do, each and everything, Gurvinder. As yesterday what we have seen, that kind of operations will be done uh, by storing it in variable. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Rules for naming Python. Let's go to the rules for naming Python. Variable must every time variable must start with letter or an underscore. Example, like,
We can't see what you're typing. Just to let you know.
is it
Yeah.
okay?
Now we can. Yeah. I somehow it's not like it's down. Yeah. Now we can see it.
Actually, I'm going down now. I'm going with flow now. I'm not thinking about the you people next cell down. Is it visible to your people or not? Sorry for that. Actually, I'll
No
rectify
problem.
it. Okay.
Okay.
It is like we can store in this way underscore Harsha or Harsha. If you're giving it this name, for example, okay. In this way, we can store this like an uh, their variable name must contains numbers, letters, or underscore. For example, let's show you examples of valid variable names. Valid variable names are valid variable names are. For example, you can give in this way. These invalid, and for example, let's show you like this is invalid, valid, and this is invalid. In these types of variable names you can give, and here names are case sensitive. Names are case sensitive. Case sensitive means, for example, if I'm giving the uppercase means we have to call it with the uppercase only. Uppercase should be call it with uppercase should be call with uppercase only. Lowercase will be called with lowercase only. Python is case sensitive. For example, if I am giving the small a and calling capital A means Python won't accept. Are you getting? Gurinder, Python is case sensitive. Like for example, here I have given small a na. If I'm calling with capital A over here, it will throw an error. It will throw as
Understood.
an error. It if I'm calling with small a means it returns. See what is stored in A, it returns, and also Python will takes the latest value itself. Okay, let's show you the let's go deep dive into it one by step by step. Okay, if not, if anything, if I'm jumping out means it's going to be very confusion. Okay, for you people, that's why from you people from scratch means like we have to go step by step. Okay, capital A, it throws an error. Okay, are you getting? I'm keeping like this only. Okay, I'll share this file also. Okay, okay, fine. Case sensitive. Case sensitive example is nothing but that only. Okay, cool. Any queries still no, Meena?
No, sir. Clear.
You people are doing with me or not?
Not doing, but
People
making
have
some
to
notes.
do. You people have to do. While I'm doing na, you will have to open the notebook, and if people are doing means it will be very well and good.
Okay.
Okay, open your notebooks. Okay, fine. Let's continue. See here, if I'm starting like an variable name, if I'm giving like is equal to it throwing an error. Why? Because the set of rules is like here starts with letter and underscore, that's it. Okay, here contain, it should contain numbers, but it should not start with one. If I'm going again, see, if I'm here, we can store it. Are you getting?
Can you repeat that again? Sorry.
For example, what we have done, variable name must starts with letter or an underscore,
Got it.
not with numbers, but it can contains numbers, letters or underscore.
Got it.
The variable name starts with letters or underscores or letters or underscore or uh, alphabets. Okay, but it contains numbers, underscore, and all numbers underscore. Alphabets and letters are same, na? Okay, fine. Once again, alphabets and underscores are same. Numbers, letters, or underscore. But here, what happens? Only it have to starts with letter or underscore, but it should contain the numbers, letters, or underscore. Clear?
Yes.
Do you want me to repeat again?
No, we understand. I
Okay,
understand.
fine. See, if I'm going with one starts with letter or underscore, what I have given, numeric I have given, it have not taken. It can contain numeric. Okay, see, this is the right way to store the variable. If not, it's going to throw you an error. Okay, anything else? Name, for example, and also it should not contain the spaces. Instead of for example, have gone with the underscore partner, it should not contain the spaces itself over there. Okay, and also,
Hmm.
for example, it should not contain variable name, variables, special characters. Like for example, these were called as an special characters. It should not contain any of these special characters. Okay,
Yeah, we can't see where you are, but yeah, we
okay,
understand.
good. Sorry. Okay,
Yeah, I can see now.
sorry for my mistake. Why? Because I'm going with flow now, I'm not focusing on that. Sorry, it should not contain any of these special characters. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. And also avoid the built-in data types. Sorry, keywords. For example, print is a keyword which we have seen till now. Na? Print is an that will be called as a function of keyword. See, and few things will be there list. This will come in later, but right now what we have seen, print and type. Na? These kinds of some will be having the special importance in the Python. For that particular one, we should not, like print is having to print, type is having to check the data type of the function. We should not go with these. We should have to avoid these special characters while storing the while giving the uh, variable name. Is it clear? Why? Because they were multiple, there were so many keywords will be there in special importance in Python, but we should not use it as a keywords. Why? Because if we are using that as a keywords mean, it will be confused for us. This is the set of rules for the variables. Okay,
Okay.
let's go into the boolean variables. Boolean variables only takes two values, either true or false. It takes only true or false. It is used for comparisons. For example, this will allows us to compare the two variables. If it is true or false, in that way we'll be using this boolean variable. Boolean is also in variable. For example, let's let's uh, let's go into that. Before that, let's see about the operators.
Can you scroll down, please?
Okay, is okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Not yet. Not now. No, we can see this. Yeah, Boolean variables. We've seen it.
You've seen
Yeah,
it?
more
Let me
down, more
continue.
down. Yeah, yeah, more down. Yeah, we here. Yeah, little up.
No, no, we are here only.
Here. Yeah, operators. Yeah,
Here we
now
are.
we can see.
Okay.
But that's the last line we can see. Yeah,
Okay,
that's good.
okay, okay, fine.
No, we can't
They
see
were
now.
right
Yeah,
now.
here is good. Yeah, last line. Yeah.
Is it
I'm
okay
not
right now?
sure how does it show in your. Let me just. Meena, are you able to see, or were you seeing what I see?
So I'm seeing operators.
Okay, but that was in the last line, right?
Yes,
Is it
below
okay?
operators.
Yeah,
Your cursor is
below.
there.
Yeah, we can't see the. I can't see now.
Why? Huh? This okay. Operators everyone can see, na?
Yes,
Yeah, we
yes.
can see it.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Cool, cool, cool. I'll show you. See here. Is it okay?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, fine. Is equal to for comparing. Is equal to for comparing. I'm writing comment itself. No worries. From here, don't be confused. Okay. If I'm going with this one and this one, this one not equal to operator. This also comparing operator, but it returns. For example, I'll give an example over here.
Okay,
Example,
what is the difference? Because both are for comparison, you
it's
said.
like that only I'm giving. Is equal to B means it returns, boolean will returns true. This is also for comparing. But for example, a, for example, just example, a is not, a is not equal to b is, for example, true or false it returns. How it returns means, let's show you. For example, a is equal to 5 have stored, have run it out.
Okay.
Okay. After that, b is equal to 5 have given. Okay. See here, if I am going with the a is equal to 5, a is equal to b, it is true. Okay. In
Okay.
this
Can
way,
you
for
scroll
example,
down?
I'm giving you example. A is
Yeah.
not equal to b means it is returns a is not equal to b means it returns false over here. Okay. I'm not going with this. Go with this examples. Above examples you can see. Clear?
Yeah, that is clear. But is this a Boolean operation or its operator? What is it?
Boolean operators we are discussing, and Boolean also we are discussing. This is an Boolean.
Okay.
Here a is equal to b is an Boolean. Here what it returns is in true or false. Returning true or false is in Boolean variable. Boolean. Okay?
Okay.
Boolean data type. And E double is equal to b, that is like in comparison, and not equal to, that is also in comparison. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's like an operators and boolean over here. I'm giving the examples with the boolean part, and meanwhile I'm going with the operators over here. Are you getting?
Yes.
A is greater than b. For example, a is greater than b will be there, and a is,
Can you scroll
let's
down,
see
please?
this. Sorry, every time doing same thing. Sorry, Gurvinder.
No problem.
Sorry, I'm going with slow now. A is greater than equal to b will be there. A is less than equal to b will be there. These many types will be there. Let's try this. Okay. In this way it will be. For example, in general way, I'll show you one example. Just I'm taking that as a normal example. No worries, cool. Just I'm storing in that variable. I'm storing, for example, true. Okay. Here, and also if I'm going with type boolean,
That's the last line.
boolean. Okay. Boolean. In the same way, say, okay, false means, see here we have stored true. I have checking, when I'm checking the data type, it isn't boolean. In the same way, here have stored the false while I'm checking the data type. See,
Last line.
boolean. True false will be the boolean. Okay. And also here, while using the operators, it returns, for example, a is equal to room means it returns a boolean or boolean output. Are you getting? Is it clear, Gurvinder, or else clear,
Yeah.
Meena?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, fine. You people, I'll give you a time. Shall you people try with these operators if possible? These operators, these operators, which we have, these all operators, these all operators you have, people have to try with. Okay,
Okay.
I'll share your screen. Any one of you, I want to see any one of you, Gurvinder or Meena. I have shown you the comparison operator. With that, I have done. You people can do with this greater than or less than or these operators. Any one of you, Meena, Gurvinder. Share your
Meena, you want to
screens and
share? I'm not very comfortable with this.
you can share your screen, Gurvinder. No worries.
Yes, I will guide you because I know this. Now I'm going through mobile, so it take little bit late.
Okay, so I'll share my screen, no problem. Okay. How to share? I need to. I don't have the sharing rights right now.
Okay, fine. I'll make an organizer. Make presenter. Okay, you can share your screen right now. It's very easy, but you have to go with more examples. But yeah, people have to practice it. Okay. After that, we can move on to the next topic.
You can see my screen.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. So A is 5. Let's give B 5.
Can you please zoom it out? Can you
Uh,
please zoom it out? Can you please
it's on
zoom
a
it?
bigger screen, full screen.
Okay, fine.
You can't see.
Exit full screen. Exit full screen.
Exit full screen.
Remove that. Remove that. What you are keeping over there? Type you have to give over there. 8. Remove 8. Remove that 8.
8. Where is 8?
What
5.
is it? 5. Remove that. Remove that. Type. Type A. Remove that. Type A. TYPE
Type A.
in the small brackets. Small bracket inside A. Small a. Small a. Small a should be there.
Yeah, you told me. Sorry.
Uh, right now, print. Remove the print. Down. Remove the print. Run it out. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Try with that. Try with the examples which I've given. You also, Meena. Try with the examples which I've given. Store the value of A.
C is 6. Okay.
A is equal to take some other value. No, no, go with another cell you can use now. After using type function, please go with another cell according to the comfortableness. If not, that above output will also throw you an error.
Oh, so you're saying just type somewhere else?
Type some. Telling you to type somewhere else. Take another cell. Code. Above code is there, na? Code plus code.
Okay, here.
Uh, uh.
Got it.
Go with comparisons, and these comparisons and greater. Use greater symbols for comparisons.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing next. Give me one. Okay. Code. Okay. So you have said, uh, let's do A equal B.
One second, I
Okay.
have to charge my laptop. One second, guys. Give me a minute. I have to charge my laptop. If not, it's going to be. Sorry. 1 second.
A S and B to B S and A must be you can see my screen, right?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, and you can see all of that of what I'm writing, right?
Hello. Sorry.
Yes,
Sorry.
you done right. Yeah, you done
I'm
right.
back. Sorry. 2 minutes only. Actually, what happened? It was my battery was stringed off completely. Unfortunately, from 50% to itself. Okay. Is it okay? Gurvinder, is it okay? Comfortable with this? Meena and Gurvinder?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Tomorrow
I've
we'll
done
start.
some
Tomorrow,
on.
from Monday, let's practice this with 2 days. From Monday, we'll start the tuple set dictionary. We'll go with another topics. Okay, we'll start new topics itself. Right now, we have seen the operators
Okay.
and variables we have seen. Today, what we have seen? Variables we have seen, operators we have seen, and also Boolean we have seen. Okay,
Yeah.
operators, Boolean, and we have performed few operations on that. And after that, the variables names for naming, set of rules for naming variables we have seen, and also what we have seen, that exactly uh, uh, that lots of things we have seen. Be please practice this. And also Python is case sensitive, that also we have seen. Please focus on that also. Python is case sensitive. Python is not case insensitive. If you are storing in the variable a, means we have to call that as in small, with small a only. If we are calling with that as in capital A, it's not going to work. I'm telling you again, guys. Okay. Okay. Be practice this. Okay.
Yeah.
Then only if you are moving forward, that will be well and fine.
Okay.
Initially we have to go with slow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any queries, anything, any doubts, any queries up to today's topic?
I'm good. You said tomorrow. Tomorrow would be holiday?
No, not tomorrow, means like Monday
Monday.
itself. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Any doubts? Still no. What happened?
I'm good. Just wanted to know, since I think me and this one person, Meena, so we could continue. We're gonna continue with this course, right?
You can continue with this course. No worries. Okay, you can check with management. Okay.
With management.
Okay, you can continue. You can check with management once.
Sorry, what
Okay.
did he say? We can continue. We can check with.
We can continue. I'll continue, but and also you have people have to check with management also.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Fine. I'm closing. Wrap it up this session. Why? Because okay.
Okay.
Shall I close it? Shall I? We will continue from Monday. Okay. And also battery
Okay.
stringed off. Sorry
Okay,
for
sir.
my inconvenience. Battery stringed off. People can see. 1 second. I'll share my screen. 1 second. I'll share my screen.
No, no,
Can you
no
please
problem.
stop sharing?
Thank you.
Can you please stop your sharing screen? I'll show you what level battery is.
No, that's
Say I'll
fine.
share.
We good.
Please, 1 second. 1 second. I have to show it all. Completely stringed off. Why it happened now? I'm not it. See, 3%. You can see
Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
3%. See, unfortunately, it was like stringed off from 52. It went to dead. Have connected immediately. Right now, it is 3%. Sorry for that, guys.
No
It's
problem.
okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's continue from Monday itself. Okay.